Have you ever wondered about the complexities involved in chemical manufacturing? It's a world that's as intricate as it is fascinating. At its core, chemical manufacturing grapples with a host of challenges that are as diverse as the elements themselves. First, there's the issue of maintaining rigorous quality control. In an industry where the slightest deviation can result in significant consequences, ensuring every batch meets stringent standards is no small feat. Equally daunting is the task of minimizing waste, a challenge that not only impacts the bottom line but also our planet. Safety, too, is a paramount concern. The volatile nature of many chemicals necessitates strict safety protocols, yet the risk of accidents remains a constant worry. Lastly, there's the question of efficiency. How do you optimize a process that's often as unpredictable as the reactions it oversees? What if we told you that artificial intelligence, AI, can significantly mitigate these challenges? Stay tuned as we delve into the exciting world of AI-powered process optimization in chemical manufacturing. Consider the case of Chemco, a leading chemical manufacturer that was grappling with the aforementioned issues. Chemco, like many in the chemical industry, faced the challenges of frequent equipment downtime, inconsistent product quality, and high production costs. They were in dire need of a solution that was not just effective but also forward-thinking and sustainable. Enter artificial intelligence. Chemco took the bold step to incorporate AI into their manufacturing process, a move that transformed their operations in more ways than one. Let's delve into how this happened. One of the first areas AI impacted was in predictive maintenance. Prior to AI, equipment breakdowns were a common and costly disruption, but with AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and predict potential faults, Chemco was able to address issues before they escalated. This proactive approach significantly minimized equipment downtime, leading to smoother operations and increased productivity. Next, we look at quality control. In the chemical industry, maintaining consistent product quality is paramount, but it can also be a daunting task. However, AI-powered quality control systems